Hey guys, welcome to what I think I'm going to call quarantine and chill. Since we are all cooped up in our houses, or at least should be cooped up in our houses, I thought I'd give you a little behind the scenes look on how I do my skincare in the morning, my 5 minute super quick and easy makeup routine, and how I do my signature curly hair look. I've given you guys a tutorial on that before, but I'm going to show you something that's even a little bit quicker because everyone should be able to roll their hair. It's super simple. So I'm gonna give you a quick flash tutorial on how to do that. So let's get started first with my daily skincare. So I have a couple of things. Let me pull my products over here so you guys can see them, that are sort of my desert island products when it comes to morning skincare. So this is something new that I've been trying, but I really, really like it. It gives a really deep moisturize in the morning, and I live in Germany now. The water is really hard here and it wreaks havoc on your skin. So this is my first step. Let me see if I can get that in there close for you guys. Let's focus for me. It wants to do my face and not this product, so maybe, there we go. Look at me beauty influencing. So this is from Violets Are Blue. This is the Beloved Facial Serum. So I already have that on. You can see I've got this dewy little glow here, and that is thanks to this bad boy. So I put this on right when I get out of the shower because my skin feels like, I don't know, a potato chip. It could break at any moment. So that's my first step. Then what I think is my biggest splurge. So these products were gifted to me, thank goodness, because they are a little pricey, but I will say that after trying this out for a couple of weeks, this is something that I would invest in. It would be painful, of course, but it is worth it. So this is the SkinMedica TNS Serum. So let's see if I can get that to focus for you guys. So this is, I don't even know how to explain it. It's like youth in a bottle. I know people are always looking for the fountain of youth. What's the next product? They use Botox, they do whatever. This is game changing. So let me show you what it looks like, which is a little weird, and also how I use it. So I usually do it on the back of my hand, and it looks like this, which I thought, let me see, when I first squirted it out, that I had gotten an old bad bottle because it looks weird. It's this red serum here, but it's not. That's how it's supposed to be. So I take my middle finger and I kind of just mix the two serums together. And then I do this on the back of my hand because if you use your fingers here, and if your skin is like mine, it's very dry, and you're gonna end up giving a nice facial to the tips of your fingers instead of your face. So you're just wasting product. So if you do it on the back of your hand and then rub it into your face, I think it's a better delivery system and you're not wasting this precious material. And obviously, no rhyme or reason to what I do here. I just try to get it into all the crevices of my face. And then very importantly, I take it down on my neck and on my chest. The number one thing that you can tell if people are not taking care of their skin properly, which means taking it onto their décolleté, people have great facial skin, but their neck and their chest looks not the youngest and freshest. So I would recommend always taking your skincare products and doing it there because we want this whole space here to look nice and ageless. So give you a little look. And I rub it into my eyes. It gets on my eyelashes, but I don't think that it affects my makeup. Sometimes when you put creams on your eyelashes, they're clumpy and yucky, but these products aren't. So then I just sit and kind of fan and let it sink into my skin. Then I have a product that I have been using for years that if I had to take something with me on a trip, wherever, I can only take one product, this is what it would be. And this is also from SkinMedica, and this is their hyaluronic acid. It's called Ha5. So let me see if you guys can get a look there. This was the first product that I used from SkinMedica, And I think that I just got super, super spoiled trying this because it was from one night to the next. It felt like I had a fresh face full of Botox because my skin was so plump. And what hyaluronic acid does is I think it just accumulates moisture into your skin. So it looks younger, it feels younger. I felt like my makeup went on so much smoother. And so again, I just take one little pump. If I'm feeling really dry, I'll do a pump and a half. So again, it's just this nice kind of gooey looking serum. Same thing as before. I rub it in everywhere. And I would say if the cost is a little too much for you and you want to make sure that you're using this to the best of your abilities, up my nose there, this would make an amazing eye cream, and an eye cream that would last forever. So if you just want to do, maybe you're using something else for your face, I would highly recommend this under your eyes because it really does give you some plump dewiness. And as we are all slowly aging here, myself included, being past 30, you want to make sure that those crow's feet are being hidden as much as humanly possible. So that is my next step. And then it's really kind of quick and easy. Where's my last one? Sunscreen. And sunscreen is so, so important. I cannot say that enough. People ask me, what's your face trick? How does your skin stay so nice? Honestly, I really believe, truly believe that it is because I've never been in the sun in my entire life and I always wear sunscreen. So again, this is from Skin Medica. This one is just a little sample that I have. So you can see here, this one is the Total Defense and Repair. There we go. So this is always my last step because sunscreen tends to break me out from time to time. So I found that the Skin Medica ones don't. This one I would say is my second favorite. I'll link below my favorite skincare sunscreen, which doesn't break me out at all and I think has really nice light coverage so you don't feel like it's clogging your pores. So again, important thing, I rub it all over my face. And I kind of like the smell of sunscreen because it makes me feel like I'm at the beach, even though it's freezing here and I haven't been to the beach in years and years. So sad. But yeah, get it everywhere. And then again, important, do your neck, do your chest. Then a tip that I learned from one of my friend's moms who works in skincare. She sprayed that all over myself. She told me that one of the really important things, aside from doing your neck and doing your chest, is also to do the backs of your hand. So I take my ring off and then I also rub the sunscreen into my hands. So now you've got a little bit of all of the serums, the moisturizers, the oils, all of that on the back of your hand, and now you're using sunscreen. So your hands look just as young as your face. So that is just it. My quick and easy morning routine, a few of my favorite products. So I'll go ahead and link all of those below so you guys can take a look. I know some of them are very pricey and may be out of somebody's budget, but if it is in your budget, they are so worth it. And I will say, these last forever. So it seems like kind of a small bottle here and they seem light, but I think because of their delivery system, they give you a perfect amount to do your full face in just one pump. So you're not having to guess or you're putting too much on your hand or on your fingers to do your face because no one wants to waste their nice expensive skincare. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and the next video I will do for you is my 5-minute makeup tutorial how I get ready in the morning. Hope you enjoyed it.